Has done, this is her fourth feature, and she won the Camera d'Or in the Cannes Film Festival for Best First Feature Film in 1994, 20 years ago, with a film called Petit Arrangement avec les Morts, a wonderful film. Her second film was L'Âge des Possibles. Then she did a film in English, Lady Chatterley. This is her fourth feature. Nothing quite prepared me for this screening. I saw it in Cannes at the festival in September. I was not quite prepared, and I think you'll be surprised by this film as well. It takes you in a place that I think cinema can take you. Not all cinema does take you, but this film absolutely takes you. The kinds of risks that Pascal is taking as a filmmaker are completely to be applauded. When she was putting this film together, I can imagine the nervousness that everybody must have felt around the type of choices she was making. She's here tonight. She's supported by a wonderful cast. Josh Charles and Anaïs Desmoustiers, who's in François Ozon's film will be showing tomorrow night, The New Girlfriend. So we're delighted to have them here. Please join me in welcoming Pascal Ferrand.
Thank you. Bonjour. I'm sorry, I don't speak English. I am a sort of dinosaur. Je suis très heureuse d'être ici, que vous soyez aussi nombreux.
I'm very happy to be here and I'm delighted to see so many of you.
C'est la première fois que je viens à Toronto et je suis arrivée il y a quelques heures. Donc je suis très heureuse d'être ici et encore plus heureuse, je crois, d'être ici avec mes deux comédiens chéris.
This is my first time in Toronto. I only got here a few hours ago. I'm delighted to be here, especially with my two darling actors.
Anaïs Desmoustiers et Josh Charles. Voilà. Eh bien, pour le reste, on ne va pas vous en dire plus pour l'instant. On se retrouve tout à l'heure pour ceux qui auront le temps pour une petite discussion après le film.
And I won't be telling you any more about it, so those of you who have the time, please stay after the screening for the Q&A.